Hi guys, this is Val and welcome to Pinoy B&B. I am here right now at my sister's car, and nung last video ko I told you guys that I'm going to do a story time video. Sabi ko, naisip ko dahil impyerno ang traffic ngayon sa Maynila, alam niyo yan. Sa mga bumabiyahe dahil napaka-traffic, I thought that I'll do the video, the story time video. And I have a very special guest. It's my sister. She's driving right now. And this story times actually involves my sister.
What? Ba't
Involved.
ako kasali dyan?
Kasi kasi ito yung storya nung nalunod ako nung bata ako. So I'm gonna tell you guys the story. When I was younger, I drowned. Shit, ang liwanag, di ba? Nalunod po ako at niligtas, quote unquote, ako ng ate ko, which is iba yung version niya, iba yung version ko kasi I'll just start the story time para maintindihan nyo kung ano yung pinagkaiba ng version ko sa version niya. So, when we were younger, we were what? Like, I couldn't remember eh. I think we're 4. I was 5 years old back then. Or I was 4 or 5 years old back then. Ang daming nangyari sa akin ng 4 or 5 years old ako, no? So I was 4 or 5 years old back then. It was also summer. Nag-swimming, nag-outing yung family namin. Actually naman outing kasi sa Maynila rin. So nag-swimming yung family namin sa Mowal Fund. And I was playing with, syempre dahil bata ka, I was playing with another kid. Parang best friends kagad kami. And the story goes like this, na pumunta kami sa malalim na part. Sa pagkakatanda ko, marunong na ako kahit paano mag-floating nun. And sabi nila I tried to save the kid, pero hindi eh. Hinila niya ako. Hindi niya ako hinila niya ako na naaalala ko eh. Kaya lang yung version ng sister ko is different. Her version of the story is I tried to save. Kala mo napaka superhero ko. I tried to save the guy. I would never do that. I would never put myself in a dangerous situation like that na may potential na malunod ako. So ang version ng sister ko is, do you want to tell your version?
No, it's okay.
Her version is that I jumped to try to save that other kid. And kaya ako nasabi na she saved me, quote unquote, kasi nung ang story ng pagkakaligtas niya po sa akin is tinadyakan niya ako sa mukha o sa ulo. Naapakan niya ako. She stepped on me when I was drowning. So nasa ilalim na ako ng tubig. Kaya nga, nasa ilalim na ako ng tubig. So meron dun sa point of view ko, kaya siguro ako nawalan ng malay kasi natadyakan niya ako. Pero I was very thankful dahil kahit paano yung sister ko nakita ako, nahanap ako. Actually, I already lost consciousness at that time, no?
Wala pa nga naniwala sa akin na may naapakan ako.
They had to revive me. Kailangan pa nila akong i-mouth to mouth. Kailangan pa ako i-mouth to mouth resuscitation o i-revive yung i-revive nung nung medic para safeguard para safeguard lifeguard. Na kailangan pa ako i-revive nung lifeguard para kasi I already lost consciousness. So yung version ng story niya na first time that I drowned is I was being heroic. I tried to save the kid, pero sa pagkakaalala ko sa akin naman is hinila ako nung bata na yon sa may string kasi you were born in the 90s, lahat ng swimsuit ng mga panahon na yon yung may tali pa. So hinila niya yung tali ng swimsuit, pagkatalon niya hinila niya yon, so parehas kaming nalunod. Actually ako lang yung nalunod eh, no? Nakaligtas siya eh.
No, nalunod din siya, pero hindi siya kailangan i-revive. Kaya may naniwala sa akin na mayroon ako naapakan dahil dun sa kasama mo. Hinahanap na nung mother niya yung anak niya. Sabi niya, nasa na yung anak ko? Yung ganon. So hinahanap hinahanap niya yung anak niya.
Okay. So,
Tapos late na na-realize na pati ikaw nawawala rin pala.
hindi, and she didn't know that it was me na inaapakan niya na at nalulunod at the time. For your info nga pala, hindi niya alam na ako yung naapakan niya at nalulunod na. Na ako pala yung kailangan niyang iligtas. So that's it, guys. That's a simple story time ng first time kasi actually I drowned like 4 times, 'di ba? 4 na beses nung bata ako, 4 na beses po ako nalunod. So that's the first time that I have drowned. So that's it, guys. That's the story time for ayoko na mapahabain na masyado yung story time. I don't want to get into any more details regarding that incident. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and you can follow me on Instagram or on Twitter. I'll put the link to my Instagram and Twitter in the description box below. And kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe lang kayo, guys. At mag-comment po kayo. Gusto kong nakakabasa ng mga comment, maganda o pangit, basta na mag-comment kayo. Ewan kung bakit, mas nag-enjoy pa nga ako pag pangit yung comment sa akin. Yun. That's it, guys. As always, I just want to end this video by saying live your life the way you want it to be and live with no regrets. Mamuhay po tayo sa kagustuhan natin at huwag tayo mamuhay sa panghihinayang.